Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have an Acquaer submersible sump pump, utility pump. It's great for draining out like your ponds, your pools, basements. If you get a flood and you don't have a permanent sump pump, this is great in a pinch. It has a active float on it. What I mean is it's basically kind of like on a smaller cord, and it's attached, so it's not on a rail like on a traditional sump pump. But let me show you. And why we're in our bathroom is because I don't have a flooded situation to demonstrate how this pump works. So we're going to use my bathtub. We're going to drain it out with the pump into our toilet. So without further ado, let me show you what you get in a box. So I'll bring that on the floor. So that is your directions and your hookups. It basically kind of tells you how everything works. So that is your pump, and that is your extension cord. So it works off a 120 volt, and this is your float. So it's basically just a regular utility float that sits on the side. So when your water level gets to a certain level, it will drain out. This is your discharge port, and you basically have a couple of adapters that are included. So we are going to be actually using the one that adapts to a regular garden hose. So that's what I like about this. It's pretty versatile in what you can do in your configurations. So it's got a little gasket on there, but we'll tighten that down. And then this is our cord. It's a pretty long cord, so and we're just going to cut through this little tie here since it's giving us a little bit of difficulty. All right. Okay, so we are going to plug this pump in to our outlet, and then we are going to attach the hose. It's one of these, I don't know, they call them flex hoses or whatever. So this thing is probably going to expand all over on me. And then we are going to put this in the water. I'm going to hold this steady and actually under the water. So as you can tell, the pump is not working because the float is basically, it's not engaged. But just to give you a quick idea, so the float engages, and that's all the way up, and you can see the pump working. And then basically it will stay engaged until the water level drops below the pump, or basically that will turn the pump off, and again it will re-engage once it gets to this level, and then it will stay engaged until basically it kind of reaches that type of position. So obviously I'm pushing it below the water, but just give you an idea of how that will work. And other than that, this is a pretty restrictive hose because it's one of these flex hoses, but you can see that it has a good strong steady stream coming out. And other than that, that's your pump. Ryan from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.